Hi, today I'm going to show you how to apply the Cherry Blooms Fibre Lash extensions. In just 3 easy steps, you can have the effective extensions without the pitfalls. Step 1. Apply a generous coat, approximately 20 strokes of transplanting gel to clean dry lashes. Step 2. On the same eye, apply a tube of fibres before the transplanting gel dries. Position the wand in the middle of your lashes and brush to the ends, approximately 15 strokes. Avoid applying too close to the eyeball and brush slowly. And lastly, step 3. Seal the fibres with the transplanting gel to lock them in place. Apply approximately 20 strokes to avoid the fibres falling off. Repeat all the steps on the other eye. For an even more dramatic look, creating more length and volume, repeat the process again.